Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we are learning about Google Tag Manager. I know you already know about Tag Manager or you heard about Tag Manager in anyhow somewhere in web. So today we know what is Tag Manager first. Tag Manager, also called as a GTM, it stands for by Google, which is a tool provided by Google that allows you to easily manage and develop tracking tags and code snippet on your website without needing to access the website code directly. Here is how you can explain GTM. GTM is a tool that helps you to manage and deploy tracking tags and code snippet on your website. These tags and snippets allow you to collect data about user behavior on your website, such as clicks from submission and page view. You can see this data to optimize your website, improve your user experience, and measure the effectiveness of your marketing campaigns. So let's jump to our GTM and see how you create an account on GTM. Let's see. First, go to your Google search bar and search Google Tag Manager. You see Google Tag Manager on top of the Google search bar. Click on a Google Tag Manager and you see this type of interface. I sign in my Google account. If you not sign in, then you go and sign up your Google Tag Manager. Here you see I have how you connect your Gmail on Google Tag Manager. I am not creating here anymore. I think you also can. Now I explain what is this and what thing we do here. Here we can do two things. One thing, we can create a account, and other things, we can create a container. First of all, we need to create an account. In account section, we can create more container. Without an account, we cannot create container. So we create first account. Here we give our account name learning purpose. You give your option. Country, I live in Bangladesh, that's why I give Bangladesh. Where you live, you can give. It not depend it, or it's not help to tracking to or determine. So we go our website, and what thing for do, what we tracking, what we connect with GTM. Web, iOS, Android app, other thing you also can connect with GTM. We connect our website service and agreement, and I already read it. If you think it is important or if you are new, then you should read it once. I read it before, that's why I am not reading more it. I accept it. Yes, I know about your terms and condition service. Okay, let's wait and see what comes out. Here we see Google interface, GTM interface, install Google Tag Manager. Here we see some code show in Google Tag Manager. These codes are actually JavaScript code. How we can define it is a JavaScript code. JavaScript code actually starts with script code and end with script also. It is the way of new, that is JavaScript code. Google Tag Manager says you need to input this code in your body's head section and also need to this code in your body section. We not this follow this method. We are actually showing this another easy way to implementation on your website. In GTM workspace, we can show there are three options: tag, triggers and variable. Let's jump into tag. What is tag? GTM tag are a snippet of code that are added to a website to track user behavior and send data to third-party service such as Google Analytics, AdWords or Facebook Pixel. Here we can easily understand what is tag. Tag means what you can or what you want to tag, what you want to do tag by this tag manager, Google Tag Manager. When you find by answer what you want by Google Tag Manager, the answer will be found. You want to tag something like Google Analytics, AdWords or Facebook Pixel, or you want to tag some pixel ID. Here we find all the answer by what we want in Tag Manager. If simple, if we find our answer by what, then it's mean tag is the solution what we want to do in Tag Manager. I think you understand what is tag. If you not understand, so don't worry, you need to read some more about it, you can easily understand. Now jump to triggers. What is triggers? GTM triggers determine when a tag should be fired. They define the specific action or events what need to occur on a website before a tag is triggered. For example, a trigger may set up to fire. A user clicks on a specific button, scroll to down certain point on a page, submit from. When you do something in your website by user, they do something. For example, they go your website and they need to buy, the user do go this page and they do click on a purchase button, and you want to track this. What you track? You want to track when a user come your website and click means when a user comes and action on your website. It means when a user clicks on a purchase you want to track. It means when we find our answer by asking when, it means triggers. I think now you understand what is trigger. If you not understand, then you go and search on a Google about triggers, tag triggers variable. You find some more blog there you can read, and I think you will understand. Otherwise, stay with us. We know you about your more. So what is variable? Variables are two types: built-in variables and user defined variables. Here you show GTM already create so many user variables. These variables can help give us more data. Dynamically populate tag data with values are specific to user or page. After a few minutes ago, we saw we go a website and do some purchase, and now we need to do track what he wants to purchase, what is the value of the purchase, what is the product named. This information need to collect by somehow, and the variables gives us this data by GTM. I think you are now clear about tag triggers and variables. If you are not understand, then comment us. I can give you some more solution and easy way to learn about GTM, tag triggers variable. Now let's see how we integrate our website with our GTM container. So let's go our website and go to our website back panel. Okay, we go our website back panel and go to plugin and click on add new. We want to install add new plugin. And plugins are a software that helps to build easily and look gorgeous use website. So we find Google Tag Manager. It is the plugin that helps us to input GTM code easily. Few minutes ago we are talking about manual. This is the, you say, magical way. GTM 4WP already activated in our website. So then let's go our GTM4 setting section, and here you see GTM tag container ID. And now you thinking where we find our container ID. Let's go to GTM, and here you see GTM at the code. This is the code. You can copy also, or otherwise if you click GTM this bar writing section, you can find this code also here. Let's copy it. I copy and paste. Go to my website back panel and GTM plugin and make it actually on. If you not on, then it's not working. Okay, give on. click on save changes. Okay, it's actually implementing our website. Let me see once again. Plugins. What is plugin? Install plugins. Now we go install plugins. And you see, sometimes it will be changed. You need to see it is okay or not. Okay, let's again click on save changes. Okay, fine. Now you have a question: how we check it is safely installed on our website or not? Okay, then go to your Google dashboard and type Google Tag Assistant Legacy, and you find a extension on the top of the search bar. You see, I already actually added extension. You need to just, you find here add action. I already created, that's why it's see me remove from your extension. Okay, you can also do it by here, pin it. Okay, let's see our website is checking or not. Enable this, refresh the page, and here you see some changes. Google Analytics and Google Tag Manager, I don't know what is some mistake. We have only one code, Google Tag Manager. I think before I do my practice Google Analytics, that's why it is showing. Okay, no problem. In the other class, we see how to implement Google Analytics with Google Tag Manager. I hope you liked our video. If you liked, then please subscribe, and if you face any problem, then comment us, or we will connect as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video.
And welcome to the new Google Tag Assistant. Today, with an increasingly complex digital marketing ecosystem, Google has a variety of tags to meet your business needs.